And then finally, with our work, how would the person I want to become spend their time when it comes to work-related tasks? Most people spend almost their entire day doing what's called reactive work. Reactive work involves reacting to stuff, right? Reacting to emails, reacting to phone calls, reacting to notifications. And they spend almost no time doing what we call reflective work. But reflective work is where the real work gets done, right? That's where the planning and the thinking and the strategizing all occurs during reflective work time. If you only do reactive work, you're going to run real fast in the wrong direction. You have to have at least some time in your day reserved to do that reflective work without distraction. So using that framework and building a time box calendar based on this value system has all kinds of benefits. Namely, it gives you a physical artifact. You can look at your calendar now and share it with other people, right? So you can look at it for yourself and say, oh, now I know this is traction. Everything on my calendar is traction. Everything else is a distraction, including the fun stuff. If I said I was going to watch a Netflix movie or play a video game and I dare check my work email, now the work email is the distraction because I said I was going to watch that Netflix movie, for example. So not only do you have it for yourself and you can finally tell the difference between traction and distraction and how to live according to your values, you can share it with the people, the stakeholders in your life. You can share it with your spouse. You can share it with your boss. And this is a life-changing practice of sitting down with your boss and saying, hey, boss, here's how I'm going to spend my time this week. Now, you see this list, this piece of paper here? I wrote down all the stuff that I couldn't fit into my calendar for the week. Can you help me reprioritize what you'd like me to spend my time on? This will change your life. And your boss would love for you to do this. Of course, they won't ask you because they don't want you to feel like you're being micromanaged. But let me tell you, most managers have no idea how their employees are spending their time. They would love to know how you're spending your time. So having that meeting once a week and saying, here's how I plan to spend my time at work, help me reprioritize is a game changer. But that only comes from when we take 15 minutes. That's all it takes, 15 minutes once a week to make that time box calendar for the week ahead.